Begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Deepak, good morning. Guys, very good morning. It is Wednesday, November 10th. James, Leo, Jim in San Diego. Guys, good morning. Mark, good morning. Guys, if you are in the afternoon session, good morning, Daryl, Rich. If you guys are in the afternoon session, I left you guys with a trade. Sold 97.25 into the close. Told you guys it was a hold. I gave you guys a target at 120. That target has been hit and filled. It was a 77 handle trade. Cash session has been fairly ugly. Frankly, the afternoon session was slow yesterday. I'm not sure why, what these markets are looking for. Don't really know, but let's go over where we're at. 73,000 Nasdaq contracts have traded in the overnight session. Nasdaq is down about 75, 76 points at this particular moment. Volume is decent, about 2,200 net sellers. Obviously, we are below VWAP. Bias is shorts. ES, 152,000 contracts have traded, 4,300 net sellers. ES is currently off 10 handles. Gold, decent volume, about average, 1,800 net sellers. I still like gold long. Gold and silver, I feel, are going to break out. We're consolidating in this upper 20s, mid 20s to mid 30 area. I think it's a matter of time. We get above 1840 and it's going to blow. On the crude front, big volume, 106,000 contracts have traded. 800, almost 900. I did not get a bot trade this morning, interestingly enough. I have turned my bots off, guys, ahead of CPI, just FYI, but I do see the signal and for whatever reason did not get a trade. And it was a winner, nice winner. In any event, crude is off about 44 cents this morning. YM don't care about natty gas. Still getting tortured. Natural gas down about 18. Not much. Copper also down. What do we have? Dollar bid today? We do. Dollar bid. I may pay attention to currencies this morning, guys. The euro specifically. Good morning, John. And the Russell. Russell is off 4.5. Gold is down about, call it $3. YM is down 42. Won't be doing anything before 9:30. I'm sorry, 8:30. Here is our calendar for the day, guys. CPI at 8:30, along continuing an initial jobless claims on because tomorrow's a holiday. Yeah, I'll look at natural gas. We're below the 100. Tomorrow's a holiday. Banks are closed, so it's a federal holiday. Room will be open, but it's going to be quiet. We will not do an afternoon session. Anybody know if the markets close early tomorrow? Is it a 1 o'clock close or is it still a 4 o'clock close tomorrow? Anybody know? Oftentimes on holidays, it's an early close. And of course, we have crude inventories today. Let's see who might be speaking today. Is it possible we have no speakers? Does not look like we have any Fed speakers today. In any event, guys, we're here. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Good morning, Mimi, by the way. NewYorkStockExchange.com mentions no change in trading hours. Okay. We'll probably take the afternoon off tomorrow. No bad. Volume's going to be light, even in our session. Bonds are closed. Yeah, with bonds closed tomorrow, it promises to be. We'll see. We'll see what the morning session brings, how bad it is. In any event, I do not, Tim. I do not. I have enough work to do as it is. I'm not even getting the daily emails. I don't even think I've been able to post this week on YouTube yet. I'll catch up, but with running, 2 sessions, order flow classes, etc., it's just, it's a ton of work. And I do have a wife that would argues for some time throughout the day. In any event, guys, we are here. Let me find the disclaimer. I'll read it. We'll sit here. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There is your disclaimer. There is an unfinished auction at 22.5 on gold. We just got a small pullback. 27 might be an interesting long, somewhere around there. It just spiked down and got that unfinished auction. Nope, not quite. 267, slight miss. CPI 0.3 higher than expected. 0.3 higher year over year. Continuing claims I haven't heard. Who really cares? Average hourly earnings minus 1.2%. Miss. 2.16 versus 2.05. Miss all the way around. Nasdaq didn't like that much. All right, guys. Let's see what we got here. Sheesh, Nasdaq. All right, guys. Wow, Nasdaq didn't like that at all. Came in hot, fellas. Sheesh. Look at this Nasdaq. All right, guys. Let me turn. My bot is back on for gold. Yes. And Nasdaq. Bots are on. None of them are in danger of taking a trade. So, well, gold may. No, it might. Big seller here in gold. 673 contracts at 26.6. You shorted 0675 on Nasdaq, I assume you mean, right? Well, the stacked imbalance would have killed it. You're short 0675. Okay, let me look at it. Yeah, it's short. It's just going to jack around, but it's short. Nice job, Paul. Nasdaq 16,000. We got about 100 handles in this still. Nasdaq is short. Nasdaq is short. More sellers here at 100. $3,200 net sellers in Nasdaq, guys. Not good. And I looked at that for Deepak, and I missed gold. God dang it. Missed my gold. Fuck. Damn. Here comes. We're breaking out, guys, on gold. God dang it. Look at this. Gold is longs, guys. We're breaking out. We're breaking out on gold. Going to 43, and then you can it's just gold is gone. Long gold. Long gold. Gold is long. I'm trying to find a pullback entry into this thing. I'd like to get in around. Look at this. I'd like to get in at 39. Yeah, this is why I don't care about the indices in the morning, guys. We just hit the 43.7 target. Gold is a breakout. Above 40, you can now target 1900. Silver's going to go too. I'm not looking at silver. I mean, we just gave away a fortune. $38.8 is where I'll take a swing. I would expect a pullback. And we may not get it, guys. I mean, this gold is broken out. It's above 40. It's gone. You're welcome, Dwayne. It's gone. Nice job, Mac. Nice job, Rich. Got buy sellers here. Yeah, Mac. Guys, gold is gone. Next target up on gold, 52. It's gone. It's gone. Jeez. I just said this morning, it's a matter of time. Break out above 40, it's gone. It's gone. Wasting my time looking at that Nasdaq. You're welcome, Daryl. Nice job. 1,044. Nice job. There's 1850. Anybody holding gold? Ugh. Waited for that trade and waited for that trade and waited for that trade and missed it. Nice job, Peter. All right, guys. Big buyer here. Look at all the buyers, guys. Maybe we can get a pullback to 46. Maybe. Guys, Nasdaq is, going to get hit. Look at bonds. If bonds go hourly short, I'll look for a short on bonds. All right, this is where I'll try gold. There you go. Come on. I'm only a day late. I don't care about oil. You guys want to take ticks? You had 17. You got 15 if you want to take some risk off. Fellas, I can only do so much. I was looking at Nasdaq for Deepak. I missed my gold trade. Now we've got a gold trade on. I don't care about oil, Nasdaq, none of it. None of it. Well, don't feel bad. It's what I do. I look at stuff. It's what I do. I missed the trade. Got 20 ticks in it, guys. Trade them as you see fit. Trade them as you see fit. Had 20. If we break out again, come on, one more breakout. Come on, gold. Give me one more breakout. Give me 40 ticks here. One more breakout. You got 28 ticks here, guys. All right. I'm going to take some off. I'll hold one. Yeah, it looks like we're setting up for a pullback. Nice job, Paul. Very nice. Guys, any pullback in gold, it's a position trade to 1900. I've been saying this for 2 weeks. Silver, I'm sure, is blowing up as well. I'm not looking at it. There goes gold. Morning, Magnus. $52 is going to give us some aggravation right there. Target is now 57. You got 50 ticks in this, guys, and I'm like 5 months late on this trade. $1914. That's where gold is headed. 1914. I'd like to get to 58 now. If you guys took crude, you got a nice trade there. Told you early I liked crude long. I have no bot trades. Nasdaq indices are short. Your target is 16,025. If you're a position trader, any pullback in the Nasdaq, I'll look to short it. But it is a short. Nasdaq is short. Crude is longs. I'll wait till the market opens and see what I can get on Nasdaq. I expect volatility to be big. Big. They are, Rick. Yes. Guys, I'm going to take some profits here, I believe. I'd like to see gold pull back to about 38. All right, I'm out, fellas. I'm out. Let's see if we can't get a pullback and find a place to get back in this puppy. That was a move. Guys, gold is a position long. It is long. 2 days ago, Monday, 26.1 was our entry. All right. Anybody have any questions? Come on down. Come on. Right back up. Gave a trade. My stop's at 22. Come on. Small sellers, small buyers. That's what I get for milking it. Come on. My dime is frozen again. There we go. Volatility is high, guys. It doesn't want to break again. Yeah, I'm short, Greg. Small buyers. Here comes gold on the bot to the target one. No, just missed target one by a tick. Inside candle here on a small time frame. If you guys want to take risk off, go ahead and take it off. We do have some buyers in here. This just doesn't want to break down. Come on, Nasdaq, you're a chump. Come on, chump. Gave me a trade. I moved that target further out. Got 130, 120 buyers in here. I won't let it go through 575. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Small loss. I can live with small losses. Gave me a trade. That's on me. I don't like longs. I'm not interested in longs. If this goes up through 24, it can go 32 and 50. Got buyers, guys. Russell may come down for me. I did not. No. Oil. Mark, oil. That's all that's on. Came one tick from target one. And here comes this rat bag right back down. I'm going to hit it again, guys, on a short. Not yet. SPY is just basically frozen. It's not doing anything. See if it can trade up to 32 VWAP. I don't think so. Sellers are right back in. Gold hit 1870. Diabolical, man. Diabolical. Nasdaq back over 3,000 net sellers. And nothing. No movement here. No imbalances. Really weird. Got a big buyer here, 18. Well, I sure hope it pulls back, Mimi, because wait till Asia gets a hold of it tonight. Crude is longs, as I see it. I don't see it short. I see crude longs. Russell is hanging in there, 23, maybe a long at 23. I don't have a big target, 25. Yes, longs maybe to 70. YM, care less about. And Nasdaq, these candles are still ginormous. We finally got some stacked by imbalances. Got a long on the Russell. Russell took this trade on the open. It's where it's going, 1908.50 gold. I'm looking for a place to get in. I need a pullback. I'm not buying it up here. If I did, it wouldn't be with size. My entry with size was 40, break of 40, and I missed it. There's target one on the bot. ZB. Looks like it's coming down. I missed the copper long. ES got that 70 target if anybody took that. Russell got the first target at 25. I have nothing in Nasdaq, guys. Looks long up to now 85. Nasdaq looks long to 85. Crude is longs. The bot is short, but crude is longs. I would take Nasdaq on a pullback to about 127, 128. Well, I think at the end of the day, you'll be proven right on that, Daniel. I just don't, how much draw do you want to take? Out on the Russell runner, and crude's going to be out. I mean, these candles are still ginormous. Watch for a break back below VWAP. There was that 128 entry, and I missed it. You got sellers coming in, block sales here. You're in NQ short for the day? Yeah, I think. All right, I got my close below VWAP. Come on, break a little lower. All right, there. There's the short. This son of a gun just doesn't want to die. There's a trade, fellas, if you want to trade. Same as the first trade. Target filled. Oh, I only had 2 on. Damn it. Target filled. 10 handles. I really don't want to scalp at this. This is I think, going to get hit. I just think that, it's holding buy zones from that move back up. But at the end of the day, this thing, I don't think it's going anywhere. Two contracts, 100 handle stop. From what entry? We're back below VWAP. 2,800 net sellers. I mean, once this stupid thing settles down a bit, I think I just don't see it. I'm watching the Qs. I'm watching the SPYs. They're not really doing anything. I'll wait all day on that option trade if I have to. Russell's coming back down. Gold finally giving us a pullback. RTY hit target 1 and 2. RTY hit target. You have a bot in front of you. Did yours hit target 1? Mark, you don't need to contact Joel. I promise you this. It is an operator error. Go into your settings, make sure the box is checked for trailing stop. I'm willing to bet it's not. Yeah, I'm hoping that the Nasdaq bounces higher. I'm good with that. I told you, this thing can get, I don't know that it does. If we get above 62, we're going 85, 90 area. We stopped at 60. We stopped at yesterday's low, 59.75. Mark, 99 times out of 100, it is operator error. I promise. I've been doing this a long time. Bonds are fairly flat. Let me look at the SPY, see where this can go. It's going to break above 162 probably on the next candle. Well, heck, you were short 22. That sucker came all the way down to 40. How big a trade were you looking for? I mean, that was 80 handles. Oh, you put another trade on. Ken, right-click on the properties on your chart trader on the bot. Right-click on the properties. I mean, guys, I get, if you guys don't know how your platform works, I don't know how in the heck you're going to trade. I really don't. I am here to help you guys learn to trade. I'm here to help find you guys trades. What I am not here for, and what I will not do, I will not teach you guys how to use your own dang platform. Okay? That's not my job. It's not in my job description. On your chart trader, Ken, right click somewhere and go to properties. Once you get to properties, there is a box that says show realized P&L when flat. Check the box. That's it. Don't ask me another question about how the platform works. It's just not my job. YouTube is full of videos on how NinjaTrader works. I'm not trying to be an idiot, but I don't have time for that stuff. I have a solution to solve my ninja freezing too. Use TradeStation to trade instead of chart. ES now 75. RTY can trade 439. Exactly. Ninja doesn't know how their platform works. Gold is going to get a pullback. Guys, let this work out. We're 30 minutes. Opening ranges are all in. I missed copper's opening range break. It was a big move up. Crude has not gone through its upper range or lower range. Crude would be a short at 90, 89. Oh, it's inventory day. Never mind. Ignore crude. It's 10 o'clock. I'm shutting the bot off. It's inventory day. We could trade 228. Yeah, I don't have an issue with getting rid of rhythmic data. Gold, maybe 59 long. Yeah, it could be rhythmic. I mean, I've had it for 10 years. I've never really, I do have a backup feed, but I don't use it. No, I have Continuum as a backup data. Do I get IQ feed through Ninja? Or is that directly through IQ feed? All right, guys, it's 10 o'clock. Nasdaq's opening range high is right at 180. So we basically got to the target I said I thought we could get to. We're down to 1,100 net sellers. I'm going to try a small short here on Nasdaq. Hang on, guys. No, not yet. Not yet. We're below the 68. Yeah, I'm going to try a small short, guys. I'm short. Target number 1, 57, 58. Got it. Got it. And break even. Small short. This, I think, can work lower, though, guys. I think we can work back to 43. We could come back 13, actually. There's 52. I think 43. We're holding yesterday's low now. Fellas, give me 1 second. Got rid of one unfinished auction. Now we're trying to go get the next unfinished auction. Anybody take it at 60 like I said? Look at this rat bag. 2 ticks shy. So what I'd like to do, we want to get that auction out of there, right? Ideally. Get that auction out of there. And then trade all the way back up to 66.4 on any runners and get that auction out of there. Okay? Come on, seriously, Nasdaq? I mean, gold, 2 ticks? Get your punk butt up there. You guys may want to take 7, 1 tick shy, because it's right at the 68. So I'm going to move it down to 7. I'm not going to screw around for $20. I want my $20. Great movie, man. Better Off Dead. Great movie. I want my $2. Come on, gold. Got the perfect trade. Lower lows, lower highs. Let's go. Break out and teach him a lesson. I mean, break out again. SPY is off to the freaking races. Nauseating little trade here. That should have gone right up and got that unfinished auction. You're short Nasdaq, huh? Not for me. Not yet. Yeah, yesterday's close. Yeah, that might work. Yeah, I can live with that short. I can live with that short. Off yesterday's close. Yeah, they did. They went freaking green, if you can believe it. I cannot believe this stupid gold. Really, I can't. I cannot believe it didn't get that. Again, 1 tick. Seriously. 1 tick, fellas. I don't know what to tell you. Never mind. Got it. Good God. That was the toughest 11 ticks of the day. All right, so now what are we looking for? Okay, in a perfect world, we come up here now and get 66.4. If you guys want your money, take it. So you got 22 ticks. I don't want this coming below 60.2, right? We're in at 61.6. You give back 14, and they're probably going to get hit. You give back 14. It's a net 8 ticks. But the risk or the reward is now up here where I have no doubts this will go. If you want to use the real stop, it's 48. And that, not for $5, not for $3 more. Not gonna do it. All right, guys. Oh, by the way, we have an ES bot trade. I'm paying no attention. Out on gold on the runner. Nasdaq. We could come back 167 from here. All right, so let's look for, if you're not short, we're below the 68. I'm going to take a short below the 68, guys. It's short. Nasdaq is short. We're sitting on top of support here on 10 minutes. Come on, got to break down here. Got to break. We got to come down through this 187.5. There we go. Well, we pierced it. Waste of time, Nasdaq. Waste of time. $152. Got some sellers here. Block trade here. 31 contracts. There we go. Should come down to 76, next level. There we go. Should get 76. Below that, we were close to 68 if you're short. 67 is going to give you, we're going to get another bounce around 67. Made it to 76. Maybe Nasdaq's dyslexic. I said 67. Ken, that's a loaded question, don't you think? Be specific. Do I think ES will go up in 2024? Do I think it goes up in the next 5 minutes? What are you asking me? I do not, but I could be wrong. What do I know? I could be wrong. God knows I'm wrong often. I don't like longs. I don't know what this banana stuff is here. I really don't. If you would have asked me, again, in the morning, what my opinion was, and remember what I've told you guys, opinions matter little in trading. We trade the market we have, not the market we want. My opinion would have been this was not going to happen. I still think in the afternoon session, we will get the big short. We had a huge trade yesterday. I put the short on at 97.25 with a 120 target. Look at this piece of work. 5 ticks to target. You guys want to take some risk off? Take some risk off. 5 ticks to damn target. Freaking Nasdaq, man. Swear to God. And if we break down below about 65, we come 52. Below 65, we come 52. All right, Frank, nice job. Guys, trade them as you see fit. This Nasdaq is just a schizophrenic pain in the neck. Come on. Launch it. If we can get back down through 71.50 on this current candle, that may be all we need. We've got to come through 71.5. I mean, the sellers are trying here, fellas. No, buyers just got them. Come on, sellers are trying again. I mean, you know I love the Nasdaq, but it's just been really a pain in the neck this whole week, other than position trading. You know, this thing came 5 ticks to my target. Seriously? That should have come right to target. There it goes. If I get one more 30 range candle here, this is going to sell. There it is. Got another candle. We should get that damn target, guys, but trade it as you see fit. I mean, if you guys want to whack at it and take $100, $150, $200, look at this. Got it. Man, I'll say 1 tick. Got it. That should have been on the first move. Should have been the first move. Now it's a free trade. We're sitting on support. We need to break below 66. Then we come 52.50. Below 66, we come 52. Below that, we come 131. Okay? So we should come 52.53, which is yellow dots here. We're still holding this little support. Next 15-minute candle is not for 8 minutes. Another stupid scalp trade. That's all they are, guys. All right. Got 60, 80 sellers in here. Not a ton, 90. I can get you small ticks if you want them. Small ticks, that's it. I'm out. Can have it. Can have it. Still puts me up 1,100. Joke. Freaking joke. Next 15-minute candle if we're coming down. Copper's making them. I mean, you know, again, these are the trades that I miss every single day because I'm watching so many charts. Look at this trade on copper. Right there. 902. Long through its cradle. Missed it. Missed it. I'm sorry, that was gold. Well, I'm going to have a conversation. That crude short was a beautiful short on the bot. Took me out to the tick. Let's see what we get here, guys. Well, I don't know why the dollar is moonshot today. And I'm really looking for a place to get in on crude, but inventory days are screwy. I refuse to trade the ES. Well, I can't say that. I just don't want to trade the ES. I would buy 68 on a pullback. Russell's a short. Russell's a short. You have a target on the Russell at 408 on RTY. That's what I have. It's a hold. There's not much momentum in it. ES is just putrid. Nasdaq, minute and 22 seconds to the next 15-minute candle. So if we're going to get a break on the Nasdaq, it could come on the next candle. We do have a negative delta again, 700, 800 contracts. We are coming in, close to the top of the hour. So I would expect this to pull back into the top of, into 11:30 Europe close. Banks are closed tomorrow. Bond market is closed tomorrow, which means we're going to get, crappy volume, and it would not shock me to see this sell off into the end of the day. I don't know that anybody wants to be in a position when they're not sitting in front of their desks. I do have Russell in a short to 08, possibly 395. As soon as we get the next 15-minute candle, guys, I'll probably sell this back into VWAP. Now, it may be a hold, so, be patient. We're coming into yesterday's low, new 15-minute candle. You got an initial target, should be at 60, and then a break of yesterday's low brings us down. I'm not interested in this long. Here is the gold bot. Almost a first target at 19 ticks. Not much volume in her. Missed first target by 1 tick, fellas. 1 tick. If we break below 56.6, we're coming 51. Well, go ahead and ask it, Mark. Go ahead. Hit target to the tick and did not fill. Getting some volume. Nasdaq wants to go higher up. Ten-year approaching 1.5%. Nope, 2 does not match the website. If there's no notation, There it is, first target filled. If there's no notation, that means nothing was changed. The only thing I post are changes. So for instance, if I put target 1, whatever, and you see no notation for target 2 or target 3, that means there was nothing changed. Capiche? Do-da. Got nothing on the Nasdaq. Somebody says we must have the capacity to make high-end chips in the U.S. Here comes gold on that second target. Should get that second target. We should come to 51 and change. We should get 59 ticks on that second target. Outside shot at that third target at 83 ticks. Outside shot. Should come 51, 1, 2, 3. Nonetheless, almost a $2 move target 1, almost a $6 move target 2. It's a nice bot trade. Sell them all back. Let me get in somewhere. I like Russell shorts, guys. Big volume, selling volume coming in here. We got down to 53.2. I still think it comes lower. Nasdaq mired in mediocrity. Nowhere. I have no trade on the Nasdaq. Yes, did not quite come to 68. That's where I would have bought it, 68. With a 65 stop. Gold getting badonked. Gold should come to, on the hourlies, should work down to 47 on the hourlies. And if it does, I think that's our entry. Crude's getting smacked in the mouth. Natural gas, nothing. I don't have a copper bot. Yeah, you're welcome, Mark. We're just above yesterday's low. Yeah, I like RTY short. Boy, gold and crude getting waylaid. Guys, everybody should be up a little. Or, a lot, depending on your daily goal. Is there anybody not making money today? Is there anybody not making money? Now, if you've done your own thing, taken your own trades, that's, your thing. Is there anybody that is down money? Real money. I don't care about sim. Is there anybody down real money? Yeah, we're going to get it. We'll get them today, too, this afternoon as well. Bum, 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 bum. Guys, there's other stuff to trade other than these stupid indices. Copper bounced off its 100-day moving average. 10-year approaching 1.5%. ES, guys, we still have an ES trade on in the bot, which I'm kind of liking more and more. We have a gold short on the bot still. Target one is off. Rick, I have no interest in it. I don't have screen space. Crude has been off for inventory, right? I turn them off at 10 if they're not in a trade. It took this trade at 9:30, went exactly to stop, and then fired another short at 10:03, but my bot was off. Robert. Your own trades, I assume, correct? Your own trades. And then we've hit all three targets, right? Safe to assume. Yeah, your trades. Okay. Not that I won't try to find you trades, but I've had a fairly decent day. I'm not saying relative to myself. I'm saying in the room, we've had a fairly decent trade. This Nasdaq, guys, is just floating. I still think we come down. We're up to 1,200 net sellers. I think the buying is over. I think it's over if you're a position trader. If we can drop down below 53, it's really over. It's over. Guys, in 2.5 minutes, I'll go over bot trades. Give me a second, please. Let's go over bot trades. Bots are done trading. It's 11 o'clock. Had a very good bot. Nice job, Rick. All right, guys. We've had one ES trade. It is still on. No idea how this will complete. I cannot give you bot totals yet because we have two trades still on. So gold is on. Don't know what this will do. And ES is on. So it'll be in my wrap up at the end of the day, but we've got two trades still on. Nasdaq took no trades for me today. No trades on the Nasdaq. Russell, my favorite bot, took 3 trades today. Nope, 2 trades. Trade number 1. I show 3. Trade number 1, losing trade. Trade number 2 was a winning trade to all 3 targets. That's it. 2 trades on the Russell, guys. Oh no, that's why. I hit something when I moved it. Thought there was another trade. I could be wrong. I am wrong. Trade number 1 was a losing trade, and trade number 2 was a winning trade. That's it. Okay? 2 trades. Crude took 1 trade, which was a losing trade, missed first target by a tick, then took me out here by a tick, and then gave a second signal on the short and sold off huge. I had my bot off for inventory, as I do every week. Currently, the bots are down $2,100. Bots are currently down $2,100. They were up 2,600 yesterday. They're down $2,100 pending the outcome of these trades. Even if this gets all 3 targets, 75, 128, 38, 150 ticks. If the ES somehow gets 150 ticks, that would almost make it, that would be within $300 of break even. If these 2 trades go to all 3 targets, the bots will still finish green. I'll give it to you in a second, Dan. Let me look. So we got a shot of finishing green again. We'll see what happens. RTY, where the hell is it? $27. We're in this is when we should sell. We're the last 30 minutes of Europe. We usually get a sell. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up for the day.